Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Rise and grind. Another day, another dollar. Y'all ready to go to work? Okay, y'all. We here at Bagel Bros. We got our first order together, y'all. It is $5.50 for 2 miles. We got to go in here and get round order, okay, y'all? And as far as the quota today, y'all, I'm kind of like blah. I'm kind of bloated and everything else. So we ain't gonna even make no goal for today, okay? We just gonna fly by the seat of our pants and whatever. When I get tired, I'm going to the house, okay, y'all? All right, let's go get round order. So y'all, the order not ready. It's wait time. See y'all when we get the order. Got the goods, y'all. Let's go deliver to Ron. Okay, everybody, we at Ryan's house. Let's go take Ryan his order. Thank you for your business. Hey, y'all, we about to go to the Target area. See y'all at our next delivery. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we here at McDonald's. You know, the McDonald's last time had me come up here for nothing because I had to place that order or whatever. Oh, child. But anyway, we don't have to order it and pay for it this time. I'm glad they ain't try to slip it in there. But we got to pick up for Kaylee going 2 miles, $8.75. Y'all, let's go see if Kaylee ordered ready. Let's go. Got the goods, y'all. No wait. Remember, I think I told y'all last time how I came up here and it was in total disarray. And I said the day shift managers be cracking the whip. She was here. That's my girl. Y'all, let's go on to Kaylee house. We here at Kaylee house. Let's go get her order. Thank you for your business. When I tell y'all, like, I don't know what's going on in Florida right now. Like, it's past rush hour. It's so much traffic. You're welcome, Kaylee. Sorry, it was so much traffic. I don't know. Is there something going on? It's always like this with this traffic. Really? Have a good day. It was so much traffic, y'all. I'm talking about, I had got lost too. Whoo, y'all. See y'all at the next stop. Y'all, I just wanted to take just a minute, like a minute, y'all. That traffic got me, I don't know. Today I'm just feeling like, you know, one of those days. You know what I mean? And then in life, we be having so much we can be so happy for, and we still can get the blahs. You know what I mean, y'all? But I'm at one of my happy places. You know, this is just a random lake I saw. My happy place is the water, okay? It's just a random lake. When we just delivered back, you know, to Kaylee, I just pulled over and just wanted to take a minute. You know what I mean? Look at this nice boat, y'all. Y'all see that nice boat? Yeah, I just wanted to just take a minute, just get my mind right, maybe readjust, you know what I mean? Because life ain't gonna always be peaches and cream, y'all, you know what I mean? Especially when you're in relationships, you're in marriages, when you gotta deal with other people, even in co-workers, anything, when you just, you know what I mean, when you just, even if you left to your own devices, even if it's just you dealing with, sometimes it can be tough. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come and vent. I'm about to sit by the water for a minute, so I'm gonna pause the app for a second and just give me, you know, give myself a break, okay, y'all? All right, see y'all when we start back working. Bye. Hey, y'all, so we sitting here at the Target. I had took a little break, but now we back at it, and we just waiting. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I even feel like working today, but I know I ain't come out for nothing. I at least want to make $50. You know what I mean? Before I go home, we at $14.50 now, and maybe come out later. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see, y'all. Unless it really pick up, we just sitting here for now under the beautiful shade tree. Okay, y'all. I'll let y'all know if something changes. After sitting for like 5 minutes, we got an order. We got an $8.25 order going 3 miles. Let's go get it. Oh, it's at Chick-fil-A too, y'all. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we reached the Chick-fil-A. Now let's go in here and get Dana order. Okay, this is our third one together. We're gonna do one more today together, okay, you guys? All right, see y'all in Chick-fil-A. So it's a delay, y'all. We gotta wait. We gotta wait on the order. So we're gonna just wait for a minute, I guess. Chick-fil-A, I think it's because it's the between the breakfast and the lunch switch over. So yeah, that's what we waiting on, y'all. So I'll be back. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go. Okay, family, we made it on over to Dana's house. Let's go take her order while it's hot, y'all. And it's fresh and hot, too. Thank you for your business. Hey, y'all, we got our last order together. It's a CVS 2-item shop and deliver order. Okay, y'all? It's $7 and 50 cents, only going 2 miles, y'all. That's a good order to me. So let's go on to CVS. Y'all, we here to shop for Anna. She just wants some halls and some gum. Let's go and grab that real quick. That shouldn't take us no time. That's what I call a good order. We got the goods, y'all.
Scan coupon now. Your total is 10. Please wait. System processing. Swipe or insert.
Go deliver Anna her order. It should take us about 5 minutes or something like that. Really quick. It's only like 2 miles and the traffic is clearing up. So let's go, y'all. In the house, y'all, and guess what? She on the first floor. Don't you love that? We didn't have, well, yes, we did. Kaylee had steps at her house, but we here, y'all. Let's go get Anna her medicine. Thank you for your business. I forgot to tell y'all, we delivered the order. I forgot to stand and do my talk and everything. Oh, child, thank y'all for coming to work with me. This will not be a long day. Right now, we're at $30-something. I'm going to try to make $50 to $100 today. And so, that's what it is, y'all. Thanks for coming to work with me today. And see you guys tomorrow, okay? Have a good day. Bye.